Just start again. Hey, hello, it's me again. Here's like a step over my video again. Yeah, that's all. Yep, sort of my Minecraft. It's not mine. It's my mom's. But yeah, yes, great. Yeah, yes, great. Let's give it a step and I don't know tonight. You know. Yeah, okay. Let's think about happy memories. Well, technology does pranks about her husband Mike. She does. He probably does some FD dangerous or something like that. I don't worry. But yeah, it's just Max. It's so awesome. I get orange and green. And that's like turn again. Again. I did that in the picture. It says this is for Kathy. My mama's sister says it all. See? See that? Yeah, just so I can do. Storm. The Clockworks. Yeah, my mom, I for the Christmas mask. Yeah, I don't know, skip it somewhere. Oh, I don't know, I heck it somewhere. Yeah, I get this thing. I agree in orange, my work. And my work is over, this is my day off right now. See? See that? Yeah, this mask is so awesome. You know, I got a great one. See? It's just like I talk to. And I got this thing. I tried to find a net Barbie glove. I don't know how it's somewhere. I don't know. I can't find it everywhere. Oh yeah, there's a wear mask right here. See if we do this. See? See that? Yeah, maybe it's like I put a mouse on my game. Yeah, it's like, give it away, so you do. Yeah, my mama doesn't work on it. Look. Oh, yeah, wait. Let me think about my action figures. Yeah, there's like a, you need to be evil cameo or not. Me, my power doesn't know what evil is. Come on. No, I didn't plug my stupid space sword again. Come on. That's the order I got today. So it's big sword. Yeah, I about a small sword. It's like a small. See? See that? See? That one. See? Here is called Mega Saber. He's the punch with Gary Fury. Everybody has a sound. See? See? This one has a sound. Like that. Like that. He has special powers. Yeah, it's like you do this. He's like my powers. See? See? That noise. That noise. That noise. So awesome. Anyway, Superman Strike. Hello? Power down. Let's see, you think I'll go no one. Off! Off, damn it! Please, damn it! Oh, it's like we're just turn off. Oh yeah, I tell you waiting. Get stop and go home. See? And then this one is a long sword. Oh, a small sword, not a big one. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I want a small one. This is better than the big one. So awesome. Oh yeah, there's like you do this, there's a second gun. Like this. And not this. Not that. It's like this is like a Christmas bazooka. Power. He just showed you my mama's just like my show. And my stupid gum is gone. I like it, okay? Yeah, it's always a mixed show, alright? Come on, man. It's just a show. It's just a show. And then he does the script, and he says, blah, 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 next episode. And then he says, check his friends. But, then you gotta go. He was going to tell my mom, but that's to me. Yeah, mommy's not going to give me a paper yet. He says, I said something, said I get. But, yeah, this is a potato, it's like a number for it's like a stir mode. So it's like some photo strike power. It's like a for a starter Peggy. I know. No, that's what I can say. Oh, first I started my game. Watch this is so funny. 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 Go away, you quick. No, sir! Hey, dude, what are you doing? What are you doing me for? What is this? What is this? Should I spray match? I don't think so. Yeah, my mom wants to be happy coming in. My sister wants to be happy coming in. Yeah, Kevin is better than power thing. It's so cool. But, hiya! Yeah, my mom does this. Don't talk so much. I did not talk so much. But it's you talking so much, not me. I don't think so. No way. I don't think so. No way.
I'll have to tell
Please. Hey, but how cute are your stupid stories? They're like kiss some ass. Oh, look at this thing. Fire! Fire! Yeah, that's like I say. You know, I gotta go. Yeah, that's like I touch my phone again. Meow. Yeah, I gotta go. You guys remember, script it out. You can say me where's my story or not that. No, I don't care what story anymore. Maybe you just keep it top right now. I don't want to hire anymore. I don't want to. Maybe you're just not, I don't know, my gosh. So it's to you.